Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare a calcium jacket. First, understand that a calcium jacket is a protective layer applied to surfaces, often for insulation or reinforcement. You will need specific materials like calcium powder and a suitable liquid binder. Ensuring you have the right tools for mixing is also crucial for a successful application, providing durability and protection. Now, let's focus on mixing. Begin by accurately measuring your calcium powder and liquid binder according to the manufacturer's specifications. Slowly incorporate the liquid into the powder, stirring continuously to prevent lumps. Continue mixing until you achieve a smooth, homogeneous paste with no dry spots, ensuring optimal performance for your jacket. With your paste ready, it's time for application. Spread the calcium paste evenly across the prepared surface, ensuring full coverage. Aim for a uniform thickness, typically between 3 and 5 millimeters for best results. After application, allow the jacket to cure completely according to the product's instructions, which is vital for its strength and longevity. Once cured, you can smooth the jacket's surface for a professional finish. Regularly inspect the calcium jacket for any signs of wear, cracks, or damage, addressing issues promptly to maintain its integrity. Also, if you're looking to improve your financial outlook, check the description below for a fantastic book and other great deals. It could truly change your perspective on wealth.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.